Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video from the Ingenious Engineer. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to download Arduino. Arduino is a programming language that is used to program electronics, such as motors, servos, and more. To code using Arduino, you need a motherboard, such as the Arduino Uno. I'll put a link in the description box to where you can get that. The motherboard is necessary because the code is uploaded to the motherboard, which is connected to an electronic component such as a light bulb. Since the code is stored in the motherboard, it can function even without being connected to the computer. Arduino is based off of a programming language called C++. C++ is more complicated than other coding languages such as Python, so it isn't ideal for beginners. If you're new to coding, I would recommend starting off with Python. I'll put a link to my Coding in Python playlist in the description box below. To download Arduino, search up arduino.cc and click Enter. It should pull up a page like this. Then, go to Software. And once it loads, you should see this section called Downloads. It has different options for whichever operating software you have. For Windows, it's a little bit confusing. The one titled Windows app takes you to the Microsoft Store and lets you download it from there. The first one is just a simple installer, and the second one downloads a zip file. Once you've downloaded the software, just follow the setup instructions until you have it fully installed on your computer. Once you've installed the software, just search Arduino in your computer and open the icon that looks like this. And it takes a while to open. Once it loads, you should see a blank page like this. This is your interface. There are a few important things to remember. This button here is your upload button. When you're finished writing your code, just click on it to upload your code to your motherboard. To open a new file, you can click on the File button and click New, and that will open a new file, like this. To save a file, click Ctrl S, and then you can save it wherever you want, as well as title it whatever you want. There are other features in Arduino, but I'm not going to get into them now because they're not very important. However, now that you know the basics of navigating in Arduino, you can create your own creative contraptions. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to see more coding content. See you soon!